Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you control the account and have the passcode. This is essential. Once done, open TikTok and tap your profile, then the three-line menu. Make sure the app is up to date so menu items appear. Navigate directly to Settings and Privacy, then Digital Wellbeing. If you can enter the current 4-digit screen time passcode now, proceed. This first step unlocks the options you need to remove limits. Once you're inside Screen Time Management, enter the 4-digit passcode to view controls. Without it, you cannot change settings. After entry, choose Turn off Screen Time Management or set a longer daily limit. Turning off removes enforced lockouts immediately. Make sure to confirm the change when prompted and watch for a confirmation message. If the option is dimmed, verify you're signed into the same account that created the limit and that the app has network access to sync the change. If you don't remember the passcode, use the Forgot Passcode link in the Screen Time panel and follow TikTok's verification prompts. They typically require access to the account email or phone. Once verified, set a new passcode or disable the feature. If verification isn't possible, remove the TikTok account from the device and reinstall the app, then sign in and check settings. Make sure to back up any content. Troubleshooting tip: if changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.